Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that's perfect for content creators and photography enthusiasts alike, the Canon EOS R7 mirrorless vlogging camera kit. We found this fantastic product online, and if you're interested, we've included a link in the description for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Canon EOS R7? This is a mirrorless camera specifically designed for vlogging and photography, boasting an impressive 32.5 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor. This means you can expect crisp, high-quality images that really pop. It's equipped with a DIGIC X Image Processor, which enhances the camera's performance, making sure your photos and videos have the sharpness and clarity you need. One of the standout features of the EOS R7 is its RFS 18 to 150 mm lens. This versatile lens gives you a full range of capabilities, making it suitable for a variety of shooting situations. Whether you're capturing wide landscapes or zooming in on distant subjects, this lens has you covered. Plus, it easily attaches to the camera body with the compatible RF mount, ensuring a seamless experience. Another impressive feature is the high-speed continuous shooting capability. With mechanical shutter speeds of up to 15 frames per second, you'll be able to capture fast-moving subjects, making it ideal for sports, wildlife, or any action-packed scenes. This camera ensures that you never miss a moment, even in the most dynamic environments. Stability is key when filming or shooting. The EOS R7 includes 5-axis image stabilization, offering 7 stops of shake correction. This means you can shoot handheld without worrying about shaky footage, whether you're walking while filming or shooting in less than ideal conditions. Now, let's talk about usability. The Canon EOS R7 operates with a Canon LPE6NH battery pack, which is also compatible with the LPE6 and LPE6N battery packs. This feature is incredibly convenient, especially if you're on the go. You can charge the battery using the USB power adapter PDE while it's still inside the camera, making it easy to keep your camera powered up during long shoots. The camera also features a vibrant, anti-smudge coated LCD screen. This means you can easily see your images clearly, even in bright sunlight, making it a great choice for outdoor shooting. And let's not forget, the EOS R7 is designed to be compact and lightweight. Its ergonomic grip allows for comfortable handling, and its size makes it easy to pack into your camera bag for all your adventures. So, who is the Canon EOS R7 suitable for? This camera is perfect for vloggers, photographers, and content creators who demand high-quality images and video. Whether you're an amateur looking to step up your game or a professional needing a reliable, lightweight option for on-the-go shooting, the EOS R7 is designed with you in mind. In practical use cases, you can take the EOS R7 to a family outing, capture stunning landscapes during your travels, or even shoot high-energy sports events. It's versatile enough for everyday use while still offering the professional features that seasoned creators will appreciate. In conclusion, the Canon EOS R7 mirrorless vlogging camera kit is a powerful tool for anyone looking to elevate their photography or videography. With its exceptional image quality, impressive lens flexibility, and user-friendly features, it stands as a solid choice for both budding and experienced creators. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.